Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Which Macs can run macOS 11 Big Sur? MacBook, 2015 or newer. MacBook Air, 2013 or newer. MacBook Pro, late 2013 or newer. Mac Mini, 2014 or newer. iMac, 2014 or newer. iMac Pro, from 2017. Mac Pro, 2013 or newer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
However, like any new version of macOS, it has an impact on resources. Put simply, it's more demanding of resources than its predecessor, and so you might find your Mac runs more slowly after you install it. Here's what to do to speed up macOS Big Sur.
Let's help you make your mark.
The good news is that Catalina probably won't slow down an old Mac, as has occasionally been my experience with past macOS updates. You can check to make sure your Mac is compatible here. If it's not, have a look at our guide to which MacBook you should get. Additionally, Catalina drops support for 32-bit apps.
Take our lead.
You can download the macOS Big Sur public beta now, if your Mac is compatible. Apple This Story is part of Apple Event, our full coverage of the latest news from Apple headquarters. Apple's latest Mac operating system, macOS Big Sur, arrived as a general release on November 12 for all compatible Apple devices.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.